So what I want you to do is I want you to look at question 1 and 2. These are tied together, right? Because this is asking what that word means, and this is asking how you know. And I want you to try this question again. So I'm going to give you a couple minutes, work independently, try number 1 again, and then tell me what you've decided. Nick, come here. Just grab a seat. We have like 5 minutes left. I'm reading something else. All right. Thomas, it's 1. If you want to respectfully disagree, then you just do that in the right way. Prince. Put your headphones on. I'll talk to both of you. Why? Okay.
And it was frustrating.
Okay. Right, so he's frustrated in training, but how does that get you to arduous means difficult?
Couldn't concentrate on what he wanted to do.
Okay, so he couldn't concentrate on what he wanted to do. What else helps you know that it's a difficult ride? You said it here first. Right, and what other detail from here helps you know that it's a hard ride? Okay, good. So we've got that. So then what's the answer? Okay. Right. So how do we know that it's not vegan? Because that's what you went with the first time. How do you know that it's not vegan?
Oh, because it wasn't like, he couldn't just like, how you want to do it.
Okay. How do you know that?
Because everything that he wanted to do didn't go the way he wanted.
But what in the text tells you that?
It's slippery.
Okay, that's what I'm looking for. Good. So then what's the detail that helps you know the answer?
See.
Be quiet. Thanks. Perfect. Okay. So it makes sense that if you miss this one, you'd miss this one. So this is fine. Let's talk a short answer really quickly. So this was fine, right?
Oh,
For open response
I
though.
see.
Yeah. For open response, remember that we want is ask you to provide lines, right, to help you know. So can you read me what you wrote here?
Alright, is for is you can make new friends everywhere you go, and not just in one place. You
Okay.
find friends. I thought that like
Yeah, of course.
13, I think.
No, that totally makes sense. But I want you, but read the rest of your answer.
Friends that you can. The theme of the story, but that's the theme of the story. But there is people out there that you can meet and be friends with.
Okay. Do you feel like that's the most like clear way to explain that? Do you feel like you reread that after you wrote it?
No.
Okay. So this is the thing you need to understand is that anytime we write something like this, it does you no good to get the answer right. It's when your ideas are not clear. So this is a fine answer. There's nothing wrong with that theme
Right.
that you're proposing here. The problem is that for one thing, the rest of this is all like yeah, that was what I was going to say. So I'm glad you said it first. We don't need any of this, right? That's just extra dead weight. This is the other thing you're missing. You said a second ago that you knew that was the theme because that's what the girl tells him. Then that's what you need to tell me here. I know that this is the theme because. No, yeah, I understand. But do you see what the issue is?
Yeah.
Okay. One other thing, just as a general rule, and I was telling Nick this too.
Hmm?
If I give you this much space, you need to go much. Yeah. I mean, don't waste space, right? Like, don't add junk. But like, as soon as I look at this, I'm like, no way, that's full credit because it's not enough. There's no way you can give me a complete answer in that little space. It's just not possible.
It can be possible to be short.
Okay, I will agree with you in general, but That's not what you do. Okay? No, you're not done. Woof. How about this? Take a second.